Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. I already told you that My Life has released this Peanuts Picture Perfect outfit or Picture Day outfit. Picture Day outfit. You can buy it in some Walmart stores or you can go to walmart.com like I did and buy it there. It retails at $13 and I'm super excited that it just got delivered to my house. It is such a cute outfit. So adorable. I wish the quality was a little bit better, but it's a My Life as outfit. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So I think this is such a fun outfit, and I'm going to be really careful opening it because it has those little plastic things that keep it attached to the cardboard. And if you don't remove them carefully, there might be holes in the outfit. So the way I like to do it is to cut those plastic things from the back side. It would have been smarter to use smaller scissors, like detailing scissors, but these are what I had, and I was kind of impatient. I really wanted to see this outfit in real life because it's so cute, and I wanted to see what it would look like on my dolls. I'm also going to cut off this plastic thing. This is going to help me to get the outfit out of the packaging. Since this outfit is made by My Life as brand, I don't really have high expectations for the quality of this outfit, but it's actually surprisingly nice. It is better than I expected. Like, the beret is made out of really thick felt. Actually, I'm wrong. It's not thick, but it's kind of medium thick. So it's not as high quality as what American Girl makes. But for My Life as brand, I think this is actually a pretty decent piece. It's pretty solid. It's cute. And I love the bow. Look at the bow. This is a really nice fabric. It's the kind of fabric that's used in athletic wear. And it has this design. It almost looks like it's applied with a glue or something. So it's kind of black and sparkly, and it's really cute. I'm sure eventually with time it will peel off, but right now it's so adorable. The colors are very bright and vibrant. This red is really bright. I just love it. And it's thick enough. It's kind of medium thick. It has this stretchy part on the back of the beret, and that would help the beret stay on a doll's head. Obviously, this beret is not as high quality as the ones made by American Girl, but it is really cute. For $13, I think this is comparable in quality to our generation brand. And My Life as clothes are usually not as good as our generation clothes, but this outfit I kind of really like. Now let's take a look at the socks, and I'm going to be really careful there because they made out of very delicate fabric. The kind of fabric that will snag so easily, so you would have to be super careful while cutting off those plastic things. And you will also have to be super careful in general. The designs are so cute. I love Snoopy. So cute. So cute. It kind of annoys me a little bit that My Life as brand has the cutest designs, the cutest outfits, but they use such bad fabrics. I mean, I'm willing to pay a little more to get higher quality outfits that will last longer, that will look like this, that will look like Peanuts, that will look like Hello Kitty. I mean, the socks are just beyond adorable. Really cute. The shoes are plastic. That's pretty standard. And look, they are so adorable. Again, so cute. They have this little detail, and you see like this shape on the front, and there's also heart on the side, on the closure. How adorable this is. I just love it. Obviously, these shoes are not anywhere close to American Girl shoes. They are plastic, but they're cute. And this is why I bought this outfit. I think my life as should make a similar outfit for boys because it would be so easy to make. Like I would like a sweater that looks like the dress that we got in this outfit. Like a Charlie Brown sweater, right? I would definitely buy it for my American Girl boy dolls. Now you gotta be very careful because the Velcro is gonna snag all this fabric. The fabric that they used on the dress is not the worst quality. I've actually seen t-shirts made out of this fabric. It looks like cotton blend. And I love the Peanuts design. Oh, so adorable. It comes with a tag that I'm going to cut off, and I'm kind of merciless about visible tags. If you watch my channel, you know I cut them off American Girl items as well. So the bottom part of this dress is stretchy. It's a slightly different fabric. So the sleeves and the neckline are also made out of that different fabric. It's the same color but slightly different quality, and it's stretchy. So this is everything that came in this set. And I actually really like my life as hanger. I do hate the holes. I do hate the whole look, but it is very practical because you can fit an entire outfit on it. Let's say you have an outfit that has a top and a bottom, like pants or a skirt, and it just can all fit on the same hanger, which I think is really cute. Now let me give you a better visual of everything that came in this outfit. $13 for all of this. I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy with this outfit. I think the price is very reasonable. I think the outfit is super cute. And I'm going to have my Julie model it. My Julie doesn't get to wear a lot of stuff that is not a part of her collection. So this is quite an unusual outfit for her. And she is super cute. I just love Julie. I think she looks amazing in this outfit. I think it works well with her colors, her hair color, her eye color. And overall, the design of this outfit is really nice, really cute. This Julie is an older Julie. Her body is not super skinny like the latest dolls, so it will fit the older dolls as well as newer dolls. Let me know in the comments what you think about this outfit and if you're planning to purchase it for your American Girl dolls. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.